In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use the Microsoft Edge split screen feature. This feature is a fantastic way to enhance your productivity, especially if you're someone who loves to multitask. Picture it like being able to keep up with a live sports game while still getting your work done, all within the same window. Sounds great, right? Let's get started. First, let's make sure the split screen feature is enabled. If you're like me and it isn't immediately visible, don't worry, we'll walk through how to activate it. Begin by opening Microsoft Edge. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see three small dots lined up vertically. Click on these dots as they represent your menu options. From the drop-down, scroll down and select Settings. This section is where most of Edge's customization options reside. In the Settings menu, glance over to the left side panel and find the Appearance option. Click on it. Under the Appearance settings, you'll find a list called Other Appearance Settings. Look for Toolbar on that list, as this is where you'll activate the split screen feature. Now here's the key step. You'll find an option labeled Split Screen Button. All you need to do is toggle that from off to on. You should see a new icon appear on your toolbar indicating that the split screen feature is now enabled. Congratulations, you've completed the first step. With the feature now active, let's move on to using the split screen. Open up any website of your choice. This could be anything from your favorite news site to an online workspace you frequent. Once the page loads, direct your attention once more to the top right toolbar and click on the split screen icon. Here's where the magic happens. Edge will seamlessly divide your screen into two panes. You'll now have a left and a right pane, each able to display different content. The right pane will be ready for you to select a website. You have a couple of choices here. You can either type in a new URL to visit a completely different website, or you can choose from tabs you already have open. Simply click on the tab you want to bring into the split screen for easy access. Once you've selected your pages, voila! You now have two active tabs side by side, all within a single window. This is a great feature if you're looking to boost your efficiency and make the most out of your screen real estate. Whether you're comparing data, cross-referencing information, or simply catching up on two activities at once, Microsoft Edge's split screen feature is an excellent tool in your productivity kit. So give it a try and see how it can simplify your browsing experience.